Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got another DSW Gucci unboxing for y'all, and y'all, I am so excited to show you this item. So if you have not seen my 2021 luxury wishlist video, please go ahead and check that out. I will link that video up above and down below, but this item was actually on my wish list, and I told y'all I was not buying this item until it went to a price that I wanted it to be. So I did get this item from DSW, and y'all, this box is huge. Do y'all see how big this box is? But I cannot wait to show y'all what's inside. At the end of the video, I will be giving y'all my review on the item as well as some mod shots, because I know y'all like to see how it would look on instead of just, you know, like in the packaging. So let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing, y'all.
All right, y'all, so we about to go ahead and get into this DSW unboxing. As you can see, it is a huge box. It is a Gucci item, and y'all, I am just so excited for it to be here. So yeah, let's just open it. Okay, they gave this big old box for a smaller box. All right, so this is what we have here. As you can see, it says size 37. You can already see what it is. Oh, I'm so excited. This is what we're looking like for review. Y'all, so gorgeous. So here's one, and here's the other. Here. It also comes with 2 Gucci dust bags here. So move the box out the way. Let's take this out the plastic. So these are the Gucci Trip Booties. I think they're the Trip 70 Booties. And I have been wanting these for so long. But if y'all watched my wish list, I had told y'all I had refused to pay the $800 for them when I knew they were $600 at first on DSW. So I waited until they went out of season, and now they were back down to $600. But here they are. Here is the beautiful strap. Ooh, I cannot wait to get cold again to wear these. So this is what they looking like, y'all. I'm trying to get a good view for y'all. So if you want an up close look at the material, this is like, I think this is tweed. Yeah, I think this is tweed. And the shoelace part has this, like, I guess that's like a tiger detail. And then the straps here. And then this is what the soles look like here. And you see what the bottom says. Y'all, these are the bomb. So I am going to try these on and show some mod shots for y'all, because I know y'all like to see that and see how it could be styled and worn, I guess, whenever it gets cold again. But it comes with this here. But yes, I am so happy with this purchase because these are so pretty.
So I really hope that y'all enjoyed that unboxing. Y'all, I am so excited to finally have these shoes. But I told y'all I was not buying these shoes until they went down to a price that I wanted them to be. So I will say when it comes down to the fit, they do fit true to size. I am a true size 7. So in Gucci, I wear a 37 and these shoes fit just fine. These shoes were actually very heavy when I put them on my feet. I know they look heavy, and they actually are heavy. So when you walk, you do have to be mindful that this is gonna be a heavy shoe. So girl, you're not running in these shoes at all. I mean, you're just gonna be striding with pride in these shoes. So just be well, like if you don't want something to be super heavy on your feet, these shoes are not the ones for you, but they are super cute shoes, y'all. The only thing I wish that these shoes had was a zipper. I did have a little bit of trouble getting my foot inside the shoe because you actually had to slide your foot in the shoe instead of like, you know, having that zipper where you just can kind of place your foot in the shoe, whatever. But other than that, these shoes are super dope. I cannot wait till it gets a little colder here again so I can bust these shoes out. But I did tell y'all I wasn't gonna have to wait for this shoe to go out of season for me to get it at the price that I really wanted it. So that is why I was able to grab these shoes. So I do really love shopping on DSW. Y'all, this video is not sponsored. I really wish they would sponsor me, but I am 2 for 2 for good orders on DSW so far as when it comes to luxury. This particular time I did get $30 back when I spent an amount of money. I think at the time they was doing like a promo, so if you spent so much money, they gave you like $30 back. So I was like, yes, I will use that on a future purchase. And also they sent me this like little duffel bag too that was free. And so this is the duffel bag that they sent. You know, I think that'll be cute for like, you know, just like if you're gonna go to the gym and just want to put some stuff in there. I mean, normally I wouldn't buy that with my money, but you know, if it's free, your girl is going to take it. But anyways, 2 for 2 with my luxury packages from DSW. I mean, hands down, I've been having great shopping experiences from them. So DSW is actually going to be a place that I continue to look for discounted Gucci items or Gucci shoes because I have had really good experiences with them for my last 2 purchases that I have done. So let me know down below if you own these shoes and what you think about them. Also, if you shopped at DSW before for luxury, let me know down in the comment section what you thought about that experience. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something, and I'll see you in my next video.